Hey everybody, welcome to the Garden Canvas. I am super excited. I planted these carrots from seeds I got from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I'd opened it up and I planted these back in the fall. This is Danver's Half Long. I don't know if you can see that, but Danver's Half Long carrots. And I planted them in this grow bag. I've never really tried to grow carrots, so I just thought I'd experiment. And I may have waited too long, but I do want you to see what I've got here as I pull these carrots out of the grow bag. Now, grow bags are excellent for growing anything. I had these on a drip timer with a drip emitter here that I was using back in the fall, and just keeping the soil moist because grow bags are great, but they can dry out very quickly. But they're great for growing all kinds of vegetables as well as any perennial or anything like that you want. You can move these around. I've got a few others here that I don't have anything in right now, but excellent way to grow vegetables if you don't want to use a garden or a raised bed or anything like that. So anyway, let's take a look. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, that one's interesting. Let's see what the rest look like. Okay, that one's a very tiny one. Probably did not get enough water. Okay, this one's a split one as well. Now, you can still eat these, there's no big deal. You can still eat a split carrot. Just not as pretty as we might like to think. Now that's a pretty carrot. And right now we're at February the 10th. Oh, that's a beauty. We say the best till last. Now, these little roots along the side here, this indicates probably a little bit too much nutrient in my soil mixture, and I had planted these in compost. So probably a little bit too much nutrient in that, or a little bit too many nutrients in there. So I'll learn from that, maybe next year have a little more sand. That's a little bit stubby, but these are all edible carrots. Make sure I'm not leaving any out here. It was just a few seeds that I planted. There's one. Yeah, those little hairy roots usually indicate a nutrient issue, maybe too much nitrogen or something like that, is what I have read and heard. So anyway, we'll take these in and wash them up and probably eat these freshly this weekend.